A video just went viral showing workers scrubbing away the site where Charlie Kirk was murdered. Is this a crime scene or a cover-up? Cover-up. What are they hiding? Within days of Charlie Kirk's assassination, a shocking new clip shows the crime scene being erased. Demolition, cleanups, fresh repairs, all while the FBI insists the investigation is ongoing. What's going on here? Charlie Kirk, founder of Turning Point USA, was fatally shot on September 10, 2025, at Utah Valley University. The suspect, Tyler James Robinson, was arrested shortly after. But now, in a twist nobody saw coming. A new video shows construction crews tearing up parts of the ground, power washing, removing materials, and making repairs at that same location, before the site is fully processed. That has set the internet on fire, with thousands claiming this is a tampered evidence site, a governmental cover-up, or worse. Authorities say it's routine maintenance or safety hazard removal. Critics argue it's erasing evidence or destroying the crime scene. Conspiracy voices claim powerful people are involved, pushing for secrecy. They didn't even wait. #cover-up trending. Was this site erased to hide something? They're rebuilding before investigators can collect every clue. We don't know yet. This is developing. If evidence is erased, what does that hide? Ballistics? Footsteps? Sniper angles? Could this imply involvement at higher levels? What if someone powerful doesn't want the truth exposed? This isn't just about one killing. It's about trust in institutions, fairness, and whether justice will be served. What do you think? Cover-up or just cleanup? Comment your theory below. If you think this deserves more attention, share this video. We'll keep watching. Hit follow so you don't miss updates. Next, we'll dig into leaked documents, FBI statements, and whether legal charges could be dropped if evidence is compromised. Don't miss it.